Students, a very good morning to all. Today we are going to see chapter 8. The chapter 8 is about list, hyperlinks and images in HTML. In this lesson we are going to learn about list. What is list? Types of list, what is hyperlink, target attribute, image tag. These are the things we are going to learn in this lesson. First one, list. What do you mean by list first? A list is a function in HTML that allows you to add bullets and numbers for a categorized look. So if you see the bill, you can find it will be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Like that we can use bullets for listing your elements. Now see, there are many types of list. They are unordered list, ordered list, definition list, nested list. These are the lists we are going to learn in this lesson. There are 4 types of list. One is ordered list, unordered list, definition list, nested list. Let us see one by one. First one, unordered list. It is defined by UL. That is U for unordered, L for list. The UL, unordered element, defines the unordered list. If it is UL, then it is unordered list. The L-like tag precedes each item in the list and closing tag is not required. For this, we no need any closing tag. Okay, Li, which means item. Okay. Now see the bullet types of disk, circle, square. There are 3 types of bullet types. One is disk, circle and square. UL type is equal to bullet type. Like this you have to mention UL, that is unordered list type, is equal to bullet type. Now see, they are giving you a program. HTML, body, heading to unordered HTML list. They have closed that. And then HT bullet type is disk. So it looks like a disk. Then unordered list and the items are coffee, we have to close that. Tea, we have to close that. Milk, and we have to close it. Then we have to close the unordered list. Now HT bullet type is circle. Now we are giving it a circle. First one, list items are apple, mango, grapes. Next one, bullet type is square, and we are giving the items cupcake, donut, eclairs. Now we have closed the unordered list, body and HTML. Now see, this is your output. An unordered HTML list, bullet type is disk, so this is your disk type. Okay, coffee, tea, milk. Next one, bullet type is circle, apple, mango, grapes. Bullet type is square, cupcake, donut, eclairs. Okay ma? Yes. Next one, ordered list. Ordered list is defined by OL. OL means ordered list. It is a numbered list of items. So now the OL element defines the ordered list. It will be in the order, and then LI defines the actual items of the list. Now OL type is equal to alpha or numeric type. We have to give like this. Now see, type I, type A, type A, type I, type I. Now see, it is decimal number 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3. And then lowercase alphabet A, B, C. Uppercase alphabet A, B, C. Lower Roman numerals, you all know 1, 2, 3. And then upper Roman numerals 1, 2, 3. Now see, they are given you a program. The same thing, HTML body, H2 ordered list. We have closed the heading tag. Now H3 with decimal numbers. First one, OL type is equal to 1. And then Audi, Benz, and then they given your car names. The next one is your colors. The next one is your Sony, Samsung, like that, product company. Now see, ordered list with decimal numbers. Decimal number means 1, 2, 3. Uppercase alphabet means A, B, C. Lower case Roman numbers means small Roman numbers. This is the output for this program. The next one, definition list, that is DL. It is a list of terms and corresponding definitions. The DL element defines a list. It is a container of DT and DD elements. DT means definition term, DD means describes each term. DT means definition term, DD means describes each term. Nested list. A list inside a list is called a nested list. So a list will be present inside a list, that is known as a nested list. Now see, fruit. You all know lots of fruits. Apple and banana, they are given here. And then again inside that, green, red, they are given the color. And then pears, those are the fruits. The next one, vegetables, meat. Like that we can give a list inside a list, that is known as nested. Hyperlinks. A link from one part of page on the internet to another page or website is called the hyperlink. You all know what you mean by hyperlink. Anchor tag, which means A is the anchor tag. Create a link to another document. So you have seen this link now. When you open a page, you can find a blue color line link. If you click that, it will go to another page. That is known as hyperlink. It is created using an anchor tag, that is A. Now syntax. A refers equal to URL text to be displayed, and then we have to close that anchor tag. href refers to hypertext link. Okay, now see, they are given you a program. HTML body, H2 HTML link. Now they are given you a link name, www.google.com. Now see, it is displayed here. HTML link, click here to Google search. When you click here, it will go to Google. Target attribute. It defines whether the linked document will be opened. Okay, target blank opens a new page in a new browser window. Target cell loads new page in current window. Target parent loads new page in a frame. It is superior to where the link lies. Target top loads new page into the current browser window. Okay, so these are the types of targets: target blank, target cell, target parent, target top. The next one, image tag. In HTML, images are defined with img. So here the images are defined with img tag. It is an empty tag. The src attribute is needed to display the image, which means screen. src, that means screen. The alter attribute defines an alternate text for an image. Now image screen is equal to your, alt is equal to your text. So src refers to source. Sorry ma, I told that screen, it is referred to source. Now see, they are given you a image and the program. HTML body, image screen is equal to smiley.gif, height is equal to smiley space, width is equal to 60, height is equal to 70. So a smiley is created. Okay, thank you ma. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.